Dear students, welcome back to my channel Biology Notes. Myself Amit Maiti. Today I will discuss about the land or soil pollution in detail. Let's see the contents of this video. Today I will discuss the definition of soil pollution, different causes of soil pollution, ecological and biological effects of soil pollution, and how to control the soil pollution. So students, let's start. What is the definition of soil pollution? It can be defined as the presence of unwanted substances or chemicals like pollutants or contaminants in soil in high enough concentrations to pose a risk to living organisms and or the ecosystem. Soil pollution can take place mainly two reasons. Number A, naturally occurring causes, and number B, man-made or anthropogenic causes. Number A, naturally occurring causes. These are very rare, but sometimes natural processes leading to soil pollution due to natural accumulation of compounds in soil. Example, concentration and accumulation of perchlorate in soils in arid environments. And natural production in soil. Example, natural formation of perchlorate in soil in the presence of a chlorine source, metallic object, and using the energy generated by thunderstorm. Number B, man-made or anthropogenic causes. Human activities are the main cause of land pollution. Industries such as pulp and paper mills, sugar mills, oil refineries, power and heating plants, chemical and fertilizer manufacturing units, iron and steel plants, etc. produces huge amount of solid wastes which are either dumped, burnt or emptied into river or seas. The areas where mining activities takes place like crushing, processing of raw materials, soiled by metals such as cadmium, zinc, lead, copper, arsenic, etc. Agricultural activities. Unplanned or uncontrolled use of fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides, herbicides damage the soil textures, kill different beneficial organisms like earthworm. Soil fertility decreases. Domestic wastes like groceries, food scraps, vegetable remains, packing materials, cans, rags, paper, cinder, ceramics, glass, broken gadgets, polythene bags, etc. if not properly disposed, create huge soil pollution. Chemical waste dumping, whether accidental or deliberate, such as illegal dumping, cracked paint chips falling from building walls, especially lead-based paint, accidental spills and leaks during storage, transport or use of chemicals. Construction sites produces huge amount of dust particles. During the demolition of older buildings can release asbestos. Huge amount of cement, sands, chemical, brick particles are fallen down to the soil surrounding the building and ultimately causes soil pollution. In this table, I have tabulated some soil pollutants, basically heavy metals like lead, mercury, arsenic, copper, polyaromatic hydrocarbons, pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, zincs, etc. And their sources have also tabulated here. So students, take some time and read this table properly. Now we will focus different ecological and biological effects of soil pollution. First, the ecological effect of soil pollution. There are wide range of ecological problems due to soil pollution. Addition of very little of hazardous chemical can change the soil chemistry. This can lead an alteration of metabolism of endemic microorganisms and arthropods which are residing in the soil. Ultimately, virtual eradication of some of the primary food chain can create a major consequences for predator or consumer species. If the organisms which are at the lower pyramid level of food chain ingest hazardous chemicals or persistent pollutants, then this kind of chemical will become more concentrated for each consuming rung of the food chain. Soil contamination also alters the plant metabolism, which reduces the crop yields. Now, the health effects of soil pollution. Chronic exposure to chromium, lead, petroleum, solvents, pesticides, herbicides can cause congenital disorders. Nitrate and ammonia associated with livestock manure from agricultural operations are identified as health hazards in soil and groundwater. Chronic exposure to benzene causes leukemia. Organophosphates leads to neuromuscular blockage. PCBs and cyclodines are linked to liver toxicity. Chlorinated solvents damage liver, kidney, central nervous system, etc. Other health effects include headache, nausea, fatigue, eye irritation, etc. There are different methods to control soil pollution. Proper dumping of wastage. Controlled tipping method is more satisfactory than crude tipping for solid waste disposal. The sanitary landfill is a better remedy for larger objects. Use of natural fertilizers. Organic wastes like cow dung, vermicompost should be used in place of synthesized chemical fertilizers. Soil erosion can be controlled by planting trees, contour cultivation, strip cropping, terracing, etc. Recycling and reuse of wastes. Paper, plastics, metals, glasses, petroleum products, etc. should be recycled and reused. Ban of toxic chemicals. Chemicals and pesticides like DDT, BHC, etc., which are fatal to plants and animals, should be banned by government. So students, this is all about general overview on soil pollution. I hope this video will help you. If you like my channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of new video. Stay with us. Thank you.